What you doing?
Playing with these.
You playing with that? How's it work?
I put these in here on the bed. I guess that goes do like that, and it goes like that. See?
Mm-hmm. And then what do you do?
And you pay for tea sandwiches.
You pay for the sandwiches?
Tea sandwiches.
The cheese sandwiches?
Yeah, and tomatoes.
How much and tomatoes, how much they cost?
$5.
$5?
And $10.
And $10?
Yeah.
Don't you know for $5 you can get a $5 footlong?
Yeah, and $10
Do you remember how to sing that song? I'm
gonna sing it. $5 yard.
Bubba's coming to buy some.
What's up? Okay. No, Baba.
He wants it all.
No, Mama.
How much does the whole basket cost? Ring it up. How much does it cost?
$6.
How many is that? Holy moly! That's a lot of dollars.
No, Baba. No.
Let's see, Bubba. Do you have any money in your purse to pay for it? Bubba's gonna pay with this.